Today we explain numerical of normality. First question is calculate the normality of NaOH solution containing 50 gram of NaOH in 5 liter solution. 5 liter solution. Question is calculate the normality of NaOH solution containing 50 gram of NaOH in 5 liter solution. In the question, NaOH is solute. The mass of NaOH in question 50 gram. We write here mass of NaOH is equal to 50 gram. In question, volume of the solution is 5 liter. Here we write volume of the solution is equal to 5 liter. Question asked calculate the normality. Here we write normality is equal to what? First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of NaOH. NaOH is a base, therefore we write equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to, first of all we write molar mass of NaOH in upper. Here NaOH 1 atom, atomic weight of NaOH is 23. We multiply 23 and 1 we get 23. In NaOH 1 oxygen atom, atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 1 we get 16. In NaOH 1 hydrogen atom, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 1 we get 1. Here we write acidity of NaOH. Acidity of NaOH is number of OH in the base. In NaOH number of OH is 1, therefore acidity of NaOH is 1. Here we divide 1. We write 40 upon 1 is equal to 14. We select formula which contain gram and liter. Here we write formula normality is equal to mass of the solute in gram upon equivalent weight of the solute into volume of the solution in liter. Here we write mass of NaOH. In question, mass of NaOH is 50. Here we write 50 upon equivalent weight of solute. In the question, equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to 40. Here we write 40. Volume of the solution in the question 5 liter, we write 5. 0 0 cut out, 5 5 cut out. Here we write 1 upon 4. It is called n upon 4 is equal to 0.25 n. Normality, the symbol of normality is capital N. Therefore we write here capital N. We ask again in the question, NaOH is solute, mass of NaOH is 50 gram, volume of the solution is 5 liter. Here we write mass of NaOH 50 gram, volume of the solution 5 liter. Normality is equal to what? Calculate the normality of NaOH in the question. Equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to molar mass of NaOH upon acidity. What is acidity? Acidity is number of OH in the base. Here one OH present, therefore acidity of NaOH is 1. Here we write 1. Next question is question number 2. We write a solution has been prepared by dissolving 0.49 gram of sulfuric acid in 100 ml of n upon 10 solution. N upon 10 solution. Question: a solution has been prepared by dissolving 49 sulfuric acid in 100 ml of, it is wrong, 100 ml of the solution. Calculate normality of the solution. A solution has been prepared by dissolving 0.49 gram of sulfuric acid in 100 ml of the solution. Calculate normality of the solution. In the question, sulfuric acid is solute. Mass of sulfuric acid is 0.49 gram. Molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Here we write mass of H2SO4 is equal to 0.49 gram. Volume of the solution, volume of the solution is equal to 100 ml. 100 ml. Normality is equal to what? First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of H2SO4. Here we write equivalent weight of H2SO4. First of all, here we write molar mass of H2SO4. In H2SO4, 2 hydrogen atom. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 2, we get 2. In H2SO4, 1 sulfur atom. Atomic weight of sulfur is 32. We multiply 32 and 1, we get 32. In H2SO4, 4 oxygen atom. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 4, we get 64. Here we write basicity of H2SO4. H2SO4 is a acid. Basicity of acid is number of displacement hydrogen ion. In H2SO4, number of 2 hydrogen atom present. Therefore, basicity of H2SO4 is 2. Here we write 2. Add upper division, 98 upon 2 is equal to 49. We write formula which contain gram and ml. We write normality is equal to mass of the solute in gram into 100,000 upon equivalent weight of the solute into volume of the solution in ml. In the question, mass of the solute is 0.49 gram. Here we write 0.49 into 1000 upon, here we write equivalent weight of the solute. First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 49. Here we write 49 into volume of the solution in ml. Here write in the question, volume of the solution is 100 ml. Here we write 100. In upper, 2 digit are present right of decimal point. Therefore, 20 here present. 2020 cancel. 1010 cancel. 49 cut out. Remaining digit is 1 upon 10. it is called n upon 10, it is called 0.1 n. It is a answer. Next question is question number 3 is what amount of oxalic acid hydrated molecular formula ACOOH whole twice into 2H2O is required to prepare 250 ml of n/10 solution. In the question, oxalic acid is solute. Question asks what amount of oxalic acid. Here we write mass of COOH whole twice into 2H2O is equal to x gram lead. It is calculate volume of the solution in the question. Volume of the solution is equal to 250 ml. Here write 250 ml. Normality is equal to n upon 10. First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Here we write equivalent weight of COOH whole twice into 2H2O. First of all, here we write molar mass of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is in the question number of carbon atom 2, atomic weight of carbon is 12. We multiply 2 and 12, we get 24. Here number of oxygen atom 4. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. We multiply 16 and 4, we get 64. Plus number of hydrogen atom 2. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. We multiply 1 and 2, we get 2. Here 2 molecule of H2O, we write 2 into molar mass of H2O is 18. In oxalic acid, number of hydrogen atom 2, therefore basicity of oxalic acid is 2. Here we write 2. 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 36 upon 2. We multiply 126 upon 2, 63. Here we write formula. Formula is normality is equal to mass of the solute in gram into 1000 upon equivalent weight of the solute into volume of the solution in ml. Here we write value of normality in the question. Value of normality is equal to n by 10 is equal to 1 upon 10. Mass of the solute in gram. Here we write x gram. Mass of oxalic acid. Here we write x 1000 upon equivalent weight of the solute. First of all, we calculate equivalent weight of oxalic acid is 63. Here we write 63. Volume of the solution is 250. We write 63 250 x into 10 into 1000. These are move here. X is equal to 63 250 10 upon 1000. The value of x is put here. Mass of COOH twice into 2H2O is equal to 1.575 gram. It is answer.